Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your VS Code extensions automatically. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side. In the extensions view, look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the extensions menu. Select the settings option from the drop-down menu. In the search bar within Settings, type Auto Update. Locate the setting labeled Extensions, Auto Update. Ensure that the checkbox for Extensions, Auto Update is checked. If it's not checked, click the checkbox to enable automatic updates. Close the Settings tab once you have confirmed the setting. To manually check for updates, return to the Extensions view. At the top, you will see an option labeled Updates. Click on it to see if there are any pending updates for your installed extensions. If updates are available, you will see an Update button next to the extensions. Click the Update button to start the update process for each extension. Once updates are installed, you can close the extensions view. Your Visual Studio Code extensions are now set to update automatically, ensuring you always have the latest features and bug fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.